Hola. Today we will learn how to play Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. As easy as 1, 4, 3 step. One lesson, 4 minutes, 3 fingers. Vamos! Okay, on the right hand you will just do like this. That's the first line, you just need to repeat it. So twice. Okay? Okay? So that's the first 2 lines. Third line is instead of the do, the re de. Got it? Okay. Now the fourth line is, got it? Alright. So let's do it again. The full first line, first part. That's the first part. Now, just repeat the first part, so twice the first part also. Now, we go to the second part or the chorus part. So it's like this. Got it? So that's the first 3 lines. One more time. Got it? All right. Now the next 4 lines. And then the closing part line is. Got it? So we will repeat the full chorus. Now, before we go to the instrumental part, we need to do the left hand first. Okay? So the left hand will be positioned here. So with the black key again there. Okay? So this is the middle. If you see it, the middle, you just go below the middle. So do here. Okay? And then so there. The pinky will be on G. So the first chord is G, to be precise, G minor. Okay? So G minor. So so you can do the beat of or the rhythm of the right hand also. Like that. Then you need to do it twice, the G. The third chord is C or C minor. Okay? Fourth chord is D. So you repeat that pattern or the sequence twice. It's like the first part twice also. Okay? Now we go to the chorus part of the left hand. So like that. Okay? Okay, so to understand it, we will do both hands. So it's like this. So first part and then chorus, first part twice. One more time. that's the first part, I mean the singing part. Now we do the instrumental part. It's very easy. So it's like this. Right, so 2 black keys. So four times. And then you need to twirl your thumb, go under, so that you can press that do there. Okay, so you will need to move all the fingers and the position will be like this. So there will be a black key there also, 2 black keys. Okay, so twice the C minor, okay, this position twice, and then so that's the last line of the instrumental. So you need to do it twice also. Okay, so let's do it. Oh, by the way, left hand will be so twice or four times also the G minor. Okay, twice C minor and then once C minor and once D. Okay. Okay, so let me just correct myself. So it's 4 times G minor, twice C minor, and then twice also D. Okay, like that. Okay, so that's the full song already. So you will just need to repeat the full sequence from first part, first stanza until chorus. So you repeat that first part, first stanza, first chorus, and then we will call it second stanza, second chorus. Okay, so there is you can do like variety again on the second part, like you don't put first the left hand like that. That's the second part. Like that. Okay, so you just need to make variety out of it. Now there is a outro or a last part of the song which is like a trap, but we will not include that on this tutorial. Okay, so if you want to learn that one, you can leave a comment under the comment section, and then I will teach you. Okay, I will try to record a video out of it. Okay, so next time I would like to teach again a song from Billie Eilish. I like Billie Eilish. Maybe the Lovely song. Do you like the Lovely song? Okay. Stay tuned for that. Vamos.